Hey everybody, welcome back to TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. I recently presented this style. This is a newer style by Henry Margu called Willow in the color 10613 GR. A really super long, sexy beach wave style. And I thought it would be fun to compare it to some other Henry Margu styles that should be considered sister styles along a progression of lengths. This ought to be fun. I have 3 styles to show you. Coming up. Willow is the longest of the 3 styles that I'm going to show you today. Willow is a long beach wave style. It reaches about 23 inches in length. What I love about it, it has a nice practical front around 8 inches. That front is straight and it kind of just smooths and feathers back into the style. So I have 3 styles to show you along a progression from medium to long to really long. And that's going to start with Kendall over here. Kendall by Henry Margu in that same 10613 GR. We're going to compare that with Harper on the H right there. And then of course I'm wearing the Willow. I think this would be a great style progression. It's always fun to do that, especially when you can get the same exact color within the same brand family. So starting with Willow, it's a 23 inch with an 8 inch front. Looking at Kendall here, Kendall's about a 7 inch front with a 13 to 14 inch overall length. It features some similar beach wave, although Willow's beach wave is a little taken down. It's heavily texturized on the ends. So it's that same shattered spiral effect, but it's been texturized on the ends, which really cuts down on the body of the style and very fine fibers. On Kendall, it has a little bit more body, less tapering at the ends, but similar texture and a similar front. Kendall features a lace front and a full monofilament top, whereas Willow has a lace front left monofilament side part. Kendall has quite a bit of permatease on the style, whereas Willow has very little low permatease. So let's take a look at Harper. So Harper has about an 18 inch length with a very similar 7 inch bang that kind of feathers back into the style. Now Harper has a lace front, but then is open top, sides, and back. It's a big, sexy, glamorous style, lots of permatease, lots of volume on Harper. Harper is not taken down nearly as much on the ends. It's not tapered at the ends as much as you will find on Willow. And as you can imagine, there is lots of permatease on Harper, which changes that volume level a little bit for sure. But all the same color, slightly different cap features, featuring kind of a tousled shattered wave. The Kendall and the Harper have abundant body, and the Willow is a little bit more finely structured, very heavily texturized on the ends, which cuts down on the body. And I feel like the fine fibers on the Willow make this the lightest density style of the 3 that I'm showing you. So it's time for our side-by-sides. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to look these up at Wig Studio One. I will attach all the links below the video. If you have any questions for us, email support@wigstudio1.com. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you next time on TAZS Wig Closet at Wig Studio One.